So today we will study the poem Fire and Ice written by Robert Frost. And as we have studied his poems earlier also, The Road Not Taken and his other poems, and all his poems, if you observe all his poems, they are very meaningful and they convey a positive message to the society. So this poem also conveys a very positive message. Here, the poet expresses his fears that the world will end one day. The poet makes a prediction that maybe in the future the world will end. And he says that the world may end due to either of the two reasons, either due to fire or due to ice. Maybe the core of the earth gets so heated up that it catches fire and everything is destroyed, or maybe the temperature of the earth falls so much that no life will be possible and everybody will die. So some say the world will end in fire and some say in ice. So this is a very debatable topic. Some people say that the world will end because of fire, and some people say that the earth will end because of ice. Now, Frost links these two words, fire and ice, to two negative human emotions. He symbolizes fire as greed, lust, unreasonable desires, and he symbolizes ice as intolerance and hatred. So the poet says that the earth can end either because of the greed of human beings, the unreasonable desires of human beings to want more and more for themselves, or the earth may end because of the intolerance of people, because of the hatred that they have towards each other. So now this is a debatable topic. Now the poet expresses his own personal opinion. He says that he has observed the consequences of desire. पोएट ने भी बहुत दुनिया देखा है और पोएट को भी पता है कि दुनिया किस तरह एंड हो सकती है. तो he says that what I have tasted of desire means what he has observed about desires. The poet is of the opinion that the world may end because of the greed of human beings. The human beings, they want more and more for themselves, and this may bring an end to the world, greed. So here the poet gives an advice to human beings to have control on their emotions. The poet the poet conveys a message to the society that you have to control your negative emotions, like unreasonable desires, greed. You have to control your negative emotions like intolerance, hatred for each other. If you don't control your negative emotions, what is going to happen? Wars are going to happen, and this will bring an end of the world. So now the poet expresses his personal opinion. He says that some people think that the world will end because of greed. Some people say that the earth will end because of the hatred and intolerance or insensitivity of the human beings. But now the poet expresses his own personal opinion. I hold means in my opinion. He says that I have known the consequences of desires, greed. Desire here means greed, uncontrolled desire, unreasonable desire. So he says that I have known the consequences, the results of greed, and my opinion is that the earth will end because of the greed of human beings. But then the poet does not rule out the possibility of ice. वो ये नहीं कहता कि सिर्फ ग्रीड के कारण वर्ल्ड डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. If it had to perish twice, perish means end. He says that if the world had to end twice, perish means end, I think I know enough of hate. So the poet says that if the world had to end twice, then hate is also a reason why it can end. If people hate each other, if people don't have tolerance for each other, if people are not sensitive to the needs of each other, then also the world can end. To say that for destruction ice is also great. So the poet is uh, advising us, suggesting us to have control on our negative emotions like greed and hatred. And he says that if you don't control your negative emotions, then it may lead to the destruction of the whole world. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Suffice means sufficient. So he says that my personal opinion, I hold with those who favor fire. It means that my personal opinion is that uh, the world may end because of greed. But he also says that there is a second possibility also. He goes more with greed, but he does not overrule hatred. To say that for destruction, ice is also great. Hatred is also enough to destroy the world. Ice symbolizes hatred, intolerance, insensitivity, and would suffice. Suffice means sufficient. मतलब hatred भी sufficient है पूरी दुनिया को खत्म करने के लिए. Greed भी एक कारण हो सकता है, but hatred is also sufficient. Suffice means sufficient.